Hello, welcome to this training. Thank you so much. I'm very happy, and I hope that we will pass a lot of time together with a lot of information about Citrix. In this workshop, I will teach you all about virtual apps and virtual desktop. So, you will be really an expert after this workshop. So you will see how to do the installation, the configuration, and how to do the administration of the solution. So we'll see a lot of things. We'll see how to publish application. We'll see the management of the printer, the policies. We'll see a lot of information about high availability. We'll see how to install PVS to stream vDisk, and we'll finish by the WEM. So let's go and see all the section. Okay, so the first section will be prepare your project. Be aware that Citrix, you cannot just install Citrix like this. You must prepare it. It's very important. So we'll see, of course, what is virtual apps, virtual desktop. We'll see the big picture about the network. We'll see what is the delivery controller, what is the storefront. We'll see what is the director. We'll see also information about additional component, the new name of the product, and we'll finish with the best practice about application and user segmentation in your project. The second section will be about preparing installation. You will have to do some choice and you will have to follow some checklists before installing the product. The choice of the hypervisor, the Active Directory, very important, the group policies, like for example the loopback, don't forget it, the license, the certificate, and which storage to use. Very important for the type of storage, so important. After we'll cover and we'll ask a question. I will ask you a question: what is a VDA and what is it for? And you will see that the VDA is the component that you install on XenApp, XenDesktop, or remote PC. So we'll see which type to use. We'll see how to install the VDA. We'll see also some troubleshooting tools for the VDA. Section 4 will cover the machine catalog and delivery group, the DG. So what is a catalog? What is a delivery group? And all this information, how to create virtual apps and virtual desktop VM. In section 5, we will cover all the infrastructure access. So how do you access your environment? You will see that I have two choices. You have Storefront and you have NetScaler. We'll cover in this course more Storefront, and in another course, ready end of October, we'll see the NetScaler. So all information about the Storefront. After that, we'll cover the workstation, type of workstation that you can have in your company, the HDX protocol and the receiver. So here, which type of endpoint you must choose, what is the WEM, what is the different channel, the network impact, very important. In section 7, we'll see all information about policies. So what is policies and the powerful of policies? How do you create them in your group policy management or in the studio? So we'll see all type of policies, and also we'll cover, of course, the Citrix policies and the best practice and the best user in computer setting. After that, we'll see in section 8 the application. So how do you install application on XenApp? What is the best practice? How to do category to find them more quickly, and the other properties on application. We'll cover in the section 9 the printing. So what is the printing? How print works over Citrix. We'll see the auto creation, the session printing, and the routing of a job. In section 10, we'll see the profile. So what is a profile, and which type of system you must use today. And we will talk about the Citrix Profile Manager. This is a tool that you can install, not install, sorry, enable. After, we'll go and see some delegation. How do you create other admin to help you in your daily work for do the administration of XenApp and XenDesktop? We'll cover in section 12 the PowerShell. So a lot of information on PowerShell. How do you load your module PowerShell? And we'll have a lot of example of PowerShell. So a free example about daily work of PowerShell. In section 13, we'll cover the power management. How do you restart your server with PowerShell, of course. We'll cover in module 14 all the HA and redundancy solution. How do you double everything, the license, the storefront, the delivery controller, and we'll see even how to create a load balancing over NetScaler. In section 15, we'll see how to secure your infra, how to install NetScaler certificate, and how to install and configure the XML service trust, and what is the trust, and how to configure SSL on your VDA. In module 16, we'll see the monitoring, so how you will use monitor to help you in troubleshooting. And in module 17, we'll see Diag and Troubleshooting. So I will share with you all the tools that I use every day to troubleshoot, of course, the XenApp and XenDesktop and NetScaler, a little NetScaler. And the last two sections will be about the PVS. What is PVS? What is streaming VDs? This is something amazing. You just have one VDisk for all your targets. And the last session is something that I love, is the WEM. WEM is a solution for managing all your VDA without any group policies, and to optimize the responsiveness of the product, to optimize the log off, the CPU and memory. So this will be the last training. So thank you for all, and hope to see you in my training. I'm very, very happy to really take some time and share all my knowledge on Citrix XenApp and XenDesktop. So see you soon, and hope a very nice day. Bye bye.